Ethereum value equivalent to 36,784 rands a coin. The present cost range, 36,237 37,615. The earlier day close, 36,977. The change was 193, 0.52%. Backwards rate, ZAR to ETH. Ethereum cost expectation for, in the not-so-distant future and month. Ethereum cost expectation on Friday, June 2, cost 36,449 rands, high 39,000, low 33,898. Ethereum conjecture on Monday, June 5, cost 36,663 rands, high 39,229, low 34,097. Ethereum cost expectation on Tuesday, June 6, cost 36,385 rands, high 38,932, low 33,838. Ethereum conjecture on Wednesday, June 7, cost 37,611 rands, high 40,244, low 34,978. In multi-week Ethereum cost expectation on Thursday, June 8, cost 38,791 rands, high 41,506, low 36,076. Ethereum conjecture on Friday, June 9, cost 39,369 rands, high 42,125, low 36,613. Ethereum cost expectation on Monday, June 12, cost 39,369 rands, high 42,125, low 36,613. Ethereum conjecture on Tuesday, June 13, cost 37,888 rands, high 40,540, low 35,236. Ethereum cost expectation on Wednesday, June 14, cost 38,824 rands, high 41,542, low 36,106. In about 14 days Ethereum conjecture on Thursday, June 15, cost 39,271 rands, high 42,020, low 36,522. Ethereum cost expectation on Friday, June 16, cost 39,300 rands, high 42,051, low 36,549. Ethereum conjecture on Monday, June 19, cost 39,485 rands, high 42,249, low 36,721. Ethereum cost expectation on Tuesday, June 20, cost 39,214 rands, high 41,959, low 36,469. Ethereum estimate on Wednesday, June 21, cost 39,074 rands, high 41,809, low 36,339. In 3 weeks Ethereum cost forecast on Thursday, June 22, cost 39,660 rands, high 42,436, low 36,884. Ethereum estimate on Friday, June 23, cost 40,350 rands, high 43,175, low 37,526. Ethereum cost forecast on Monday, June 26, cost 41,383 rands, high 44,280, low 38,486. Ethereum estimate on Tuesday, June 27, cost 41,266 rands, high 44,155, low 38,377. Ethereum cost forecast on Wednesday, June 28, cost 41,281 rands, high 44,171, low 38,391. In about a month Ethereum estimate on Thursday, June 29, cost 41,598 rands, high 44,510, low 38,686. Ethereum cost forecast on Friday, June 30, cost 40,118 rands, high 42,926, low 37,310. Ethereum estimate on Monday, July 3, cost 40,131 rands, high 42,940, low 37,322. Ethereum value expectation for 2023, 2024, 2025, 2026 and 2027. Ethereum cost forecast for June 2023. In the first place, cost at 36,941 rands, exorbitant cost 44,510, while low cost 33,838. Found the middle value of cost 38,852. Ethereum cost gauge toward the month's end 40,118. Change for June 8.6%. Ethereum gauge for July 2023. In the first place, cost at 40,118 rands. Exorbitant cost 46,618, while low cost 36,928. The found the middle value of cost 41,808. Ethereum cost gauge toward the month's end 43,568. Change for July 8.6%. Ethereum cost expectation for August 2023. In the first place, cost at 43,568 rands. Exorbitant cost 50,370, while low cost 43,568. The found the middle value of cost 46,145. Ethereum cost gauge toward the month's end 47,075. Change for August 8.0%. Ethereum gauge for September 2023. In the first place, cost at 47,075 rands. Exorbitant cost 53,168, while low cost 46,212. The found the middle value of cost 49,036. Ethereum cost gauge toward the month's end 49,690. Change for September 5.6%. Ethereum cost expectation for October 2023. To start with, cost at 49,690 rands. Exorbitant cost 58,649, while low cost 49,690. The found the middle value of cost 53,210. Ethereum cost gauge toward the month's end 54,812. Change for October 10.3%. Ethereum gauge for November 2023. To start with, cost at 54,812 rands. Exorbitant cost 62,486, while low cost 54,310. The found the middle value of cost 57,502. Ethereum cost gauge toward the month's end 58,398. Change for November 6.5%. Ethereum cost expectation for December 2023. To start with, cost at 58,398 rands. Exorbitant cost 72,484, while low cost 58,398. The found the middle value of cost 64,256. Ethereum cost gauge toward the month's end 67,742. Change for December 16.0%. Ethereum gauge for January 2024. To start with, cost at 67,742 rands. Exorbitant cost 67,742, while low cost 57,615. The found the middle value of cost 63,763. Ethereum cost figure toward the month's end 61,952. Change for January 8.5%. Ethereum cost expectation for February 2024. Before all else, cost at 61,952 rands. Excessive cost 61,952, while low cost 48,397. They arrived at the midpoint of cost 56,085. Ethereum cost figure toward the month's end 52,040. Change for February 16.0%. Ethereum figure for WAC 2024. Before all else, cost at 52,040 rands. Excessive